What's up guys, Adam here, and I wanted to let all of my YouTubers know that today is the start of Member November on OrlandoDrummer.com. So for the next 4 weeks straight, I'm releasing new content every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, and all of this content is exclusively for my members. Some of the new lessons include my Practicing 101 Masterclass, Yoga for Drummers, I've got an updated tom tuning masterclass, and of course the 2019 Studio Tour. I know you guys have been dying to see that one. Now this month we're also running quite a few sign-up specials where you can get a free pair of my Vic Firth custom sticks, free one-on-one Skype lessons, and I've also got extra discounts for active military and veterans all month long. So if online education is something that you've considered but never fully taken the chance on, now is by far the best time of year to give it a shot and see what we can do together to make you a better drummer. Here's the full content schedule for Member November, and I will see you guys inside the vaults.